Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video. I'm going to be breaking down a lovely strategy that you guys can use, a liquidity strategy that you can use on NZD USD, Euro USD, and GBP USD. I've been trading this strategy consistently for about 2 years now, pulling profits out of the market. So I'll show you exactly what that is. Before I get into the video, make sure you hop in my Discord. It's absolutely free, and I share all of my trades with you guys that I'm taking. I share my key levels with you guys, and come and ask some questions, come and learn. Like I said, it's absolutely free. I dropped this trade in there yesterday for the guys on NZD USD, as you can see there, and told them it was live. Said that I'd be closing at 5R, but I can imagine price running to 10R, but my edge is 5R and 5R only. And we hit take profit. The guys are loving it. There's the entries, and we had one guy who I made him he was a 9% drawdown on his funded account, and within a week he's now back at break even. We've done 10.5R this week, as you can see there. Currently the week we are 10.5R, all shared with them guys in real time, live for free. So make sure you do get in. The link will be in the description, and let's get into the video. So what was I looking at on NZD USD? As you can see, we have a low that fails here just by a tick or two. Then the high fails again. So we have low, high, then the low fails. So what's happening at the moment is we're not respecting structure. We're manipulating the market, right? We've got lows failing, we've got highs failing, we've got lows failing. Now the interesting thing is what happens here. This was NZD interest rates, which happened in Asia. And as you notice here, look how clean this pushes. There's no point of liquidity in this leg. There's no ranges in this leg to be used to pair with entries to take short. So I had the idea that this high was going to go, and that's exactly what we saw here. So this high failed, and now I was looking at potentially taking an entry long to head back up into maybe this area here. As you can see, we have this large manipulation running buy side liquidity and then a sell off. And what does price normally do? We normally get an impulse, manipulation, and then a correction back up for then another manipulation to then continue the trend. So that's what I was looking at here. And for the entry, it was very simple. If I just play price back, actually, why would I just do that? That would be a little bit better. Play price back to here. So I had my range drawn on. I always trade from the lower 30% if I'm buying and the higher 30% if I'm selling. And as you can see here, this order block, this last down candle is contained within the lower 30%. As you can see here, we are contained in the lower 30%. So what did I do? Basically, super simple. We had this as our entry candle. I actually set it on the body, so I'll just make that a little bit better here. And we also need some sell side liquidity to take into our entry, otherwise we'll get the same thing what happens here. So we have this low, these are equal lows, so I was more inclined to use this here. And I basically just set my order here, and I covered the low. We had a 9 pip stop loss on this trade. And the take profit was up at 5R, something like this. And what's most important to note is the timing of the trade was during kill zone, the New York kill zone to be precise, 11, New York kill zone. So if I play price on, you can see price taps us in here, literally right at the end of kill zone, 10:45 p.m. 10:45 a.m. New York local time. And we then expand up, we take out this high, which is what we wanted. Anyhow, this was running about 4R, so I wasn't interested to take profits there. My edge is 5R. And then in Asia today, we continued the expansion up and took profit there. And the guys are absolutely loving it. So to recap, we had large manipulation. Then we had the high taken out from a discounted price. we had sell side liquidity to take into our entry, which was an order block that was located within the lower 30% of the current swing range. And that is the trade. Set our order, set and forget, and on to the next one. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you jump in my Discord. Like I said, it's absolutely free. I share all these trades with you guys live in real time, and you don't have to pay a penny. So get in there, drop me a message, and come and learn how to trade, and I'll see you in the next video.